This year we're hosting the 37th annual Mid-Autumn Moon Festival at the Yat-Sen Gardens. We have a range of performers, from circus performers to traditional Han-Fu performers, as well as a bunch of different musicians. Poetry, calligraphy, tea ceremonies, and arts and crafts for the entire family. This summer we hosted MISKA Creative Society along with Digital Hopes and the Yat-Sen Garden.
So the program was a youth workshop to involve the kids of the downtown east side, to bring them to the Yat-Sen Gardens and engage in some artwork using different tools and different medias to inspire some creativity with the kids and in this beautiful setting.
Dreams for the program would be, just teach it to the next level and, keep progressing.
My painting is about sunset when the moon and the sun is going down and the moon is going up, with the reflection in the water of the moon.
One of the things that we are dedicated to doing is exposing locals and other people to the Chinese culture through festivals such as this.